It's another day, everybody. Good day, good day. Oh. Hello December, hello December. Merry Christmas and happy birthday to me.
Yeah.
And anniversary din ng papa ko, guys. Death anniversary, sabay kami talaga. Yeah, kaya hindi ko alam kung anong i-celebrate ko. Eh di ang dalawa na lang, di ba? Anyways, yes, today is December. And ang saya kasi nung mga nakaraang weeks, days is raining, guys, and very dark and very cloudy. But now, look at the sun. The sun is mag-sunset na, guys. It's already mga magpa 5 PM na, guys, actually. And we are planning to visit again the Vinax Mart Christmas market. Kasi, guys, birthday ko nga, di ba? And then magluluto sana kami or lalabas sana kami. Pero kaninang umaga meron kaming ginawa. So, and then akala namin tapos maaga siyang matatapos. So, late siya natapos, guys. So, sasabi ko, diretso na lang kami sa Christmas market. And of course, dito na tayo dadaan sa may Rivermine Frankfurt, because it's been a long time din, right?
Yeah.
That we haven't been here, and then, you know, walking around. Yeah, as I've said, the other few weeks and days raining lang talaga, guys. Hindi naman siya malakas, pero ang, di ba, ang pangit maglakad-lakad tapos may ulan, mawawala na naman, babalik na naman. So, but today we had a good luck. We're lucky today because the sun is shining. Kaninang umaga pa, guys, nung paglabas namin, uy, ang ganda ng sun, pero hindi lang nag-vlog. But anyways, so yeah, ayun. So we're planning to go to the supermarket, Christmas market. And doon ako magsi-celebrate ng aking birthday. Kasi hindi ako nagluto. Wala talaga, guys, as in. And yeah, we will see kung, di ba nakita na natin very short the other vlog, yung my Christmas market, pero hindi pa yun, guys. Meron pa talagang main. So yun ang pupuntahan natin today. But first, I want to go to the church. You know, pasalamat sa lahat-lahat, di ba? So ayun, so walang masyadong tao ngayon today dito sa may river kasi nga ang lamig, guys. Ang lamig, super lamig. Yung kamay ko, my god, it's ano na siya. So, and how are you? Ngayon lang natin siya natanong. Alles okay?
Yeah, I'm just happy that
Good.
you enjoy this day.
Okay, good. So, ayun, guys. Look at the water. It's very calm.
Yeah.
Look at the water, guys. It's very, ano talaga, no? Very, very silent. Very, very silent. Diba? Very calm. Oh my god. There's a moon pala, guys. There is the moon, and andito the other side is the sunset. Ayan. Diba? Ang ganda ng sunset. So, ayun. So, we will just ano lang muna, guys, at least, diba, makapaglalakad-lakad kami kasi mga nakaraang araw doon lang talaga ako sa bahay, guys. So excited ako, guys, kung ano, well, we will see kung anong kakainin natin doon. Of course, meron akong gustong kainin, guys, na never ko pang nakain. Diba, gusto natin siya i-try ever since, kasi ayaw ko, pero since gusto ko din talaga siyang i-try. So we will see kung masarap ba talaga siya. So yan ang una nating kakainin. But first, mag-ano muna tayo, guys, lakad-lakad muna tayo sa Christmas market, and let's see kung anong mga magaganda doon, kung meron ba tayong mabibili. Guys, ang ganda ng sunset, oh. Diba? Yan, malapit tayo, guys. Ayan, guys, tapos na ako nagsindi lang ako ng kandila, guys, and that was ano lang siya. So continue tayo Ano ba yung kulay ko? Palang naging blue ah. Continue tayo sa Christmas market guys. And later na siguro kami kakain kasi maaga pa naman. And hindi pa kami masyado gutom. So tingin-tingin muna sa mga sa mga stalls kung ano mga tinda nila, di ba? Yung Christmas tree nila guys, tingnan natin kung ano ang di ba last time nakita natin wala pa siyang mga decorations, pa today may lights na yun guys for sure. Oy, meron din sila ditong Christmas tree guys, ang cute. Sa tourist spot na ang cute yan. Ayan, di ba ang cute? Ang laki. Hallo. Na, danke schön.
Das ist nett, danke schön.
Nandito na tayo guys. Yung Christmas tree is wala pang here. On the other side. Ayan, ang laki ng Christmas tree nila. Guys, meron akong first meal of the day is ay, pinsaligong. Siya guys, fish. This is sardines, parang sardines ata.
No.
Herring. Yeah, okay, herring siya guys. First, ito yung gusto kong matikman, so try natin kung masarap siya guys.
Sauer.
Isda. Kailangan mo siya kainin with onions para masarap. So yun yung ating next guys, next meal. Kidney yan siya guys. Masarap to. Ito yung gustong gusto ko. Try natin guys. Masarap to siya. Ang init pero masarap. Malaki yung bread. Ito slow. Third meal. Steak, pork steak with another again, another Brötchen, another. Sarap, ito masarap. It's good guys. Sarap niya.
Mit Astra.
Mag-blue vine kami guys. Ayan. Ayan pala.
17 na robimy fan?
Sabay natin ng blue vine. Init. Yan siya guys. Tapos na kami guys. And we will buy lang dessert. Pero wait lang, may titingnan ako. Can I look the jacket here?
Yeah, yeah, of course.
Okay, may titingnan tayo dyan guys. May jacket kasi na maganda. Parang nagustuhan ko to. Yan ang maganda. Wait lang. Ishkirain niya. Kanili ko kan. Asa? And we are back in the house. Oh my god guys, we were like 2 hours outside.
More. Yeah.
Almost 3 hours. Yes. It's almost 7 p.m. But it was nice.
Yeah.
Thank you for today.
Thank you for letting me participate in your life.
In my life. But not in my vlog.
No, of course not.
It's not fair. So guys, you bought 4 pieces?
No.
Yeah. 4. Well guys, you know, our last, yung ating, 4 binili niya. Dami niyang binili. Look at that guys. Charot. 4 talaga. 4 talaga na strawberry, Strawberry with chocolate. Excited na kasi siyang kumain. Rock.
Oh, yeah.
Malamig. May nabili si RC this year sa Christmas market. Gustong-gusto ko na itong bilhin. Pero hindi ito nga guys, iba. Long time ago na talaga. Hindi ko siya ma-afford kasi mahal. But now, sabi ko, aalis na kami ng Frankfurt. I have to buy something for my birthday here. Sa Christmas market. Diba? Charot. Look what I got! Ang ganda guys. Ang ganda ng kulay. There's another one here. For the Ang ganda ng kulay. Look at that, everybody. We will try this. Okay. Yeah, may nabili tayo. May nabili si RC. Good thing na meron talaga. Ooh, with a packet here. Nice. Oh my god. It's heavy. Yes, it's heavy. Handmade to siya, guys. Handmade talaga to. Natural line, handmade, pure wool. Oh my god. Ang ganda niya. Buti na lang talaga merong size ko. Meron siyang size ko. This is guys. This is for winter din. Diba? Ayun, lo. Ito maganda kasi pang ganyan siya.
Yeah.
Naipit pa si RC, guys. Ay, ang ganda. Ayan. Naipit yun ako. Naipit siya, guys. Diba? Ang ganda ang kulay niya, guys. Look at that. The blue, green, black, and dark blue. Navy blue or something. Ang ganda. I like it. Match na match siya sa aking ano. Diba? Oh, tapos meron siyang ano dito. Oh. Ano kasi siya guys, pang winter talaga siya kasi meron siyang ano dito. Uy, may pocket pa here. Oh, nice. Yay! Size ko talaga siya guys, XS. Ang ganda. Expensive but worth it. Charot. Thank you, my shots. Birthday gift to ni partner, guys. Ang ganda ng birthday gift, diba? Yes! At eto, pwede siya matanggal yung ano niya, yung cap niya. Kasi naka-zipper siya. Ayan, di ba? Hello, oy! So, ayun guys. Ayun lang ang aming day for today. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoy our Christmas Market 2025 in Frankfurt. And also, my birthday. And also my birthday vlog. Charot, no? So guys, again, thank you for watching and until my next vlog. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. Ingat po! Cheers!